Gaz looks very confused. Yeah. He's being matched mentally. Gaz is new best friend. I think they're exchanging Facebook names, email addresses. They want to stay in close contact. Yeah, the short time they've known each other, they've formed a very close relationship. Some might even say inappropriate. I think Gaz is trying to squeeze him into his top box, take him back to Thailand. Oh.
Bro, have a good day.
You too, buddy, you too. Yeah, have a great time. Don't kiss him. Oh, yeah. Whew. Dodged a bullet there, I guess. And here we are, leaving the hotel. We are gonna... one hell of a long day today. We are gonna head back up to Kota Bharu, which will take roughly around 3 hours with petrol stops, whatnot. Because we picked the passport up at 2, then we've got to make it to the border at Kota Bharu, which we've heard, well, is rumoured to be quite difficult to cross, especially with motorbikes. So yeah, we're going to find out if that is true or not. We're trying to make it to Hat Yai again, which is another 5 hours after the border. We're going to try and blast it out today. Today is more about covering distance than it is for seeing beautiful sights, nice coastal routes, viewpoints. Today is just blasting out miles.
I'm stuck on you, been waiting in this night, should get a call, hung up on you. I wanna do you everything on me too. I'm stuck on you, been waiting in this night, should get a call, hung up on you. I wanna do you.
We are just coming into the outskirts of Kota Bharu now. So job number 1 is to pick up my passport, which has hopefully got my 1-year Non B Visa in it, and then move on to the other 2 jobs. Job number 2 being cross the border with as little hassle as possible, and job number 3, try and make it to Hat Yai before it gets dark. So 3 very, very specific jobs for today. Let's see how job number 1 goes. Passport's back, got 1-year non-immigrant B visa in there, so that's going to last me until December 2020. Now, job number 2. Get across the border with as little hassle as possible. So where we're going to go is a place called Sungai Kolok. It's quite popular, busy tourist crossing, but it'll take us maybe about an hour to get to that border. See you later, Kota Bharu. I'm not going to say I'm going to miss the place, but yeah, so far I've really enjoyed Malaysia. Oof. Eesh. Now this is what I don't like with the panniers on. No idea what's going on here. Stopped by the police. Oh.
Thai?
No, I'm not Thai, I'm English. But live in Thailand.
Live in Thailand?
Yeah. Insurance at the border. My green book for motorbike. Scuba diving.
Scuba diving in Thailand?
I own a school.
Oh, it's a school for the scuba driving.
Yeah.
Scuba
diving. 12 is my dive school.
Oh, die.
Octopus.
Octopus.
Yeah.
Both of you.
He's diver as well. Yeah. But very lazy.
Very lazy, yeah?
We give a little touch. Cheers, buddy. So, my Thai license worked, and my UK driving license. It's a good thing we got all the paperwork. Right, well, we didn't get arrested. Right, so here we are, coming up to the Sungai Kolok crossing. We got no clue where we should be going, really. Oh, let's follow the bike lane. Right, so we made it through the Malaysian side. It was just a drive-through. Didn't even have to take my helmet off. He ID'd me just by looking at my beautiful eyes. Job number 2. Get through immigration at the border with as little hassle as possible. Yeah, we're through, so that one's ticked off the list. Now, job number 3, try and get to Hat Yai before it gets dark. And we've got about 4 hours to get to Hat Yai. Well, we stopped off to get a little bit of fuel. We didn't need it, but what we did need was a chance to give our bums a bit of a break. After blasting it out for about 2.5 hours, flat out pretty much, it's nice to be able to stand up for a bit, because the pain gets a little bit too much. But we've only got about 2 hours, 10 minutes left until we get to Hat Yai, before the sun goes down and before the crazy people come out. The outskirts of Hat Yai now. The sun is just going down, so unless traffic is terrible, we should just be able to make it back before it gets to night time, meaning job done.